Ever wonder what makes Warren Buffett, the third richest man in the world, so successful? That's a question that has intrigued many over the years. Let's start from the beginning. Born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930, Warren Edward Buffett was destined to become one of the greatest investors of all time. Known widely as the Oracle of Omaha, he has certainly lived up to his moniker. From a young age, Buffett displayed a keen interest and remarkable skill in making and saving money. Little did he know then that his passion would one day position him as one of the most influential figures in the world of finance and investment. Buffett's career has spanned over 7 decades, during which time he has amassed an extraordinary fortune. As of now, his net worth is estimated to be in the region of $280 billion, making him the third richest person on the planet. But what's perhaps even more impressive than his wealth is the way he's earned it. Buffett is not an inventor or a tech mogul, but a man who makes his money from money. His strategy? Simple, yet effective. Buy and hold. Over the years, his investment company, Berkshire Hathaway, has acquired a diverse portfolio of businesses, from insurance to candy companies. Buffett's extraordinary ability to predict market trends and his unshakable faith in the American economy have earned him his oracle status. But money and success have never been the end goal for Buffett. For him, it's always been about the game of investing, about being able to read the market and make the right calls. His philosophy is simple. Invest in what you know and understand, be patient, and let the magic of compounding do its work. So what's the secret behind his success? Is it his uncanny ability to predict the market? His simple yet effective investment strategy? Or is it his unwavering patience and discipline? Over the next few scenes, we will delve deeper into the life and career of Warren Buffett, attempting to decode the mystery that is the Oracle of Omaha. What's the secret behind his success? Let's dive deeper into his story. Scene script. Success often starts early, and Buffett's story is no different. Born in Omaha, Nebraska in 1930, Warren Buffett was the second of 3 children. His father, a stockbroker, no doubt influenced his early interest in the financial world. However, his entrepreneurial spirit began to shine through long before he stepped foot on Wall Street. As a child, Buffett was not content with the pocket money he received. He was always on the lookout for ways to make a quick buck, whether it was selling chewing gum door to door or delivering newspapers. He was, in essence, a businessman in the making, honing his skills in the real world at a tender age. Buffett's interest in the stock market was piqued at the age of 11. Yes, you heard that right, 11. This was not a typical preteen fascination. Buffett made his first stock purchase then, buying 3 shares of City Service, an oil service company. This early foray into investing taught him a valuable lesson about patience in investing, a principle he would carry with him throughout his career. At 13, he ran a successful pinball machine business, demonstrating his knack for identifying profitable ventures. By the time he graduated high school, he had already amassed more than $5,000 from his various enterprises. This was not merely a hobby for young Buffett, it was the beginning of a lifelong pursuit of wealth creation. His early experiences were not just about making money, they were about learning the value of money, understanding the principles of investing, and developing a keen eye for opportunities. These early lessons played a crucial role in shaping his investment philosophy and his approach to business. Clearly, Buffett was not your average kid. His early experiences set the stage for his future success. A path forged by a unique blend of curiosity, determination, and a keen understanding of the business world. And as we will see in the following scenes, these early beginnings were just the start of an extraordinary journey for one of the world's most successful investors. Education and mentorship played pivotal roles in shaping Buffett's investment philosophy. As we delve into the educational journey of Warren Buffett, we find ourselves in the heartland of America, at the University of Nebraska. Here, Buffett earned his bachelor's degree in business administration, but the real education, the one that would shape his investment philosophy, was yet to come. Following his graduation from Nebraska, Buffett set his sights on Columbia Business School. Why Columbia, you ask? The answer lies in a book Buffett found while still an undergrad, a book that would change the course of his life. The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. This book, which Buffett famously described as by far the best book on investing ever written, introduced him to the concept of value investing, buying stocks at prices less than their intrinsic value. So, Buffett went to Columbia, not just to earn his master's degree in economics, but to learn from the man who literally wrote the book on investing, Benjamin Graham. Graham, a celebrated investor and economist, was not just a professor to Buffett, but a mentor. Under Graham's tutelage, Buffett didn't just learn about investing, he learned about the discipline, the patience, and the diligence required to be a successful investor. But the influence of Graham's mentorship extended beyond the walls of Columbia. Buffett adopted Graham's value investing philosophy as his own, applying it throughout his career, from his early days at Buffett Partnership limited to his later years at the helm of Berkshire Hathaway. In Graham, Buffett found more than a mentor. He found a philosophy, a way of thinking about investing that resonated with him. It was simple, logical, and contrary to the speculative approach that many of his peers favored. This philosophy, this value investing approach, is what set Buffett apart. It's what made him the Oracle of Omaha. Buffett was not just a student of finance, he was a disciple of Graham's value investing philosophy. Buffett's success story would be incomplete without mentioning Berkshire Hathaway. This iconic piece of the Warren Buffett narrative is a testament to his investment acumen and business prowess. Berkshire Hathaway, originally a failing textile company, became the canvas upon which Buffett would paint his masterpiece. Buffett's initial encounter with Berkshire Hathaway was not particularly pleasant. He bought shares in the company during the 60s, but his relationship with the management was contentious. Yet, he saw potential in the failing business. In a move that surprised many, Buffett decided to buy out the company. He saw an opportunity to transform the textile company into a holding company for his other investments. This was a bold decision, but Buffett was not one to shy away from a challenge. The transformation of Berkshire Hathaway under Buffett's leadership was nothing short of remarkable. He gradually phased out the textile operations and poured resources into buying shares in other companies. From insurance businesses like Geico to food and beverage giants like Coca-Cola and tech behemoths like Apple, Buffett turned Berkshire Hathaway into a diverse portfolio of profitable businesses. And the results were impressive. Under Buffett's leadership, Berkshire Hathaway saw phenomenal growth. From a company that was on the brink of bankruptcy, Berkshire Hathaway became one of the most successful holding companies in the world. Its share price grew exponentially, making it one of the most expensive stocks on the market. But what set Buffett apart was not just his investment strategies, it was his approach to business ownership. He picked companies with solid fundamentals and left their management to do what they did best. This hands-off approach allowed these businesses to thrive, contributing to Berkshire Hathaway's overall success. The story of Berkshire Hathaway is a testament to Buffett's genius. It shows his ability to see potential where others see failure, to take calculated risks, and to nurture businesses to success. This was the birth of a behemoth, a testament to Buffett's vision and tenacity. With Berkshire Hathaway, Buffett was not just an investor, he was a business owner. What truly sets Buffett apart is his unique investment philosophy. Now let's delve into the crux of what makes Buffett the Oracle of Omaha. Warren Buffett's investment strategy is a long-term one. He's not in it for the quick wins or the flash-in-the-pan opportunities. No, Buffett invests in companies he believes in, companies he sees a future in. He's famously quoted as saying, "If you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes." This is an investment philosophy that goes against the grain, defying the hustle and bustle of Wall Street's quick turnover mentality. But what is it that attracts Buffett to these long-term investments? Well, it's all about intrinsic value. Buffett seeks out companies that are undervalued, those diamonds in the rough that others may overlook. He's not interested in what's hot right now, he's interested in what's fundamentally valuable. To him, a company's intrinsic value is the true measure of its worth, not its current market price. This brings us to another key aspect of Buffett's investment philosophy: the preference for simple, understandable businesses. Buffett's investments are often in companies that produce items we use every day like Coca-Cola or Gillette. These are businesses that he understands, businesses that are simple and straightforward. This simplicity allows him to make informed predictions about their future performance. As Buffett once said, "I try to buy stock in businesses that are so wonderful that an idiot can run them, because sooner or later, one will." So, what can we learn from Buffett's investment philosophy? It's all about patience, understanding, and a keen eye for value. It's about finding those undervalued companies with a solid future and sticking with them through thick and thin. Buffett's philosophy is simple yet powerful. Buy good businesses at fair prices and hold them forever. And it's this philosophy that has made him one of the wealthiest and most respected investors in the world. Buffett is not just a successful investor, he's also a generous philanthropist. Philanthropy is an integral part of Warren Buffett's life. His generosity is as legendary as his financial acumen. His philanthropic journey is a compelling story of a man who amassed a great fortune and then decided to give almost all of it away. In 2006, Buffett made a groundbreaking pledge to give away 99% of his wealth. Yes, you heard it right, 99%. He didn't just make this pledge to anyone, but to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This was an unprecedented move in the world of philanthropy and cemented Buffett's place as one of the most generous people in the world. His commitment to the Gates Foundation is significant. It's not just about the money, it's about the impact. The foundation's work is far-reaching, from improving education in America to fighting diseases in the poorest corners of the world. With Buffett's billions backing them, they can make an even bigger difference. Yet Buffett's philanthropy doesn't stop with his own wealth. He's also a driving force behind the Giving Pledge, an initiative that encourages billionaires to donate the majority of their wealth to philanthropy. Buffett, along with Bill and Melinda Gates, founded the pledge in 2010. Since its inception, over 200 of the world's wealthiest individuals and families have committed to giving away at least half of their wealth. It's important to remember that Buffett's philanthropy isn't just about writing checks. It's about using his influence to inspire others to give. It's about the belief that those who have been fortunate should use their wealth to help those who haven't been as lucky. Buffett's philanthropy is a testament to his belief that wealth should be used to make the world a better place. His actions inspire us to consider not just how we can accumulate wealth, but how we can use it to leave a lasting, positive impact on the world. So, what can we learn from Buffett's success? One of the key takeaways from Buffett's journey is the importance of early financial education. Buffett started his journey in finance at a tender age, selling chewing gum and Coca-Cola door to door. He was crunching numbers and understanding profits before he even hit his teens. This early exposure to the world of finance sparked an interest that would later fuel his immense success. So, if you're a parent, consider introducing your children to finance and investing at an early age. And if you're an adult, remember it's never too late to learn. Another crucial lesson is the value of mentorship. Buffett's mentor, Benjamin Graham, played an instrumental role in shaping his investment philosophy. Graham's teachings on value investing became the cornerstone of Buffett's strategy. This underscores the importance of finding a mentor who can guide you, challenge you, and ultimately help you grow. The third lesson is the power of long-term investing. Buffett didn't make his wealth overnight. His investments in companies like Berkshire Hathaway and Coca-Cola have spanned decades. He didn't jump on the latest trends or chase quick profits. Instead, he focused on finding undervalued companies with strong fundamentals and held onto them for the long haul. This patient, long-term approach has been a major factor in his success. Lastly, we cannot overlook the importance of giving back. Buffett is not just one of the world's richest men, he's also one of the most generous. He's pledged to give away the bulk of his fortune to philanthropic causes. This speaks volumes about his character and his belief in using his wealth to create positive change in the world. It's a reminder that success isn't just about how much you earn, but also about how much you give. Buffett's story is not just about wealth, it's about wisdom. His journey offers valuable lessons on financial education, mentorship, long-term investing, and philanthropy. These are not just strategies for wealth creation but principles for a successful and fulfilling life. Warren Buffett's success story is a testament to the power of patience, discipline, and philanthropy. From his humble beginnings in Omaha, we have journeyed through his life, witnessing his evolution into the Oracle of Omaha. We've seen how his education and mentorship laid the foundation for his investment philosophy, and how that philosophy birthed the financial powerhouse, Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett's success is not just a tale of financial acumen, but also of generosity. His philanthropic endeavors remind us that wealth is not just for accumulation, but also for the betterment of society. The lessons from Buffett's success are clear. Patience, discipline, and a continuous thirst for knowledge are key. A keen eye for value and an unwavering commitment to ethical practices can lead to unparalleled success. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the Profit Speak channel for more insightful videos. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of learning. Thanks for watching.